To all of you, let me reveal my heart. I am surcharged, I am energized, I am motivated, I am inspired, and I have an optimism which for sure will fructify into a ground reality. Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Sri Manoj Sinha ji, Chancellor, University of Jammu. I had been his great admirer, but today I become his follower. Even before I became Governor State of West Bengal, I had virtual connect with him. And today I have seen the man exploiting his talent, intellect, sagacity for welfare of students. He has in him qualities that help society grow like a plateau. The kind of seamless connect, the synergetic working between various vice chancellors and the council is enormous. It is an example, a model that can be replicated. He would keep it up and take it on incremental trajectory. Professor Umesh Rai, I think perhaps is cut out to be vice chancellor. A man of humility. He has persuasion in every word with no aggression. I am meeting for the first time a man whom I have admired for long without meeting. Professor Dinesh Singh. Since he will be little surprised and I have to vindicate my credibility, I gathered more input about him because I happen to be Chancellor of Delhi University. So I came to know about all the previous Vice Chancellors. We are lucky to have a good Vice Chancellor, Professor Yogesh, but he takes Professor Dinesh Singh as his role model. The observations imparted by the Honorable Lieutenant Governor about him being an educationist at a premium level in the country are very well-meaning and fact-oriented. I am little envious of him that he is working in an area but not working for the entire country. Such a talent, such a reservoir needs to be tapped at national level. Former Vice Chancellors, present Vice Chancellors, members of the faculty, academic council, distinguished guests, senior functionaries, and most important, my young friends. It's a cliche, not last but not least, or to ignore presence of Dr. Jagdeep Dhankar,